Russell fam, in today's video we're going to do an unboxing of My Father's World 1850s to Modern Times. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out. There I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. If you have been around this channel for a while, you know that I love My Father's World, and this is our 8th year using My Father's World curriculum. That's how much we love it and how much it works for us. So in this video, I am going to turn the camera around and show you everything that comes with the curriculum for My Father's World 1850 to the Modern Times. And I will also do a later video of a flip through of all the books and curriculum, and I'll also do a lesson with us, so make sure you looking for those videos. Let's turn this camera around and get started. So the first thing we are going to start with is our faith building literature, which it comes with 2 books. This is A Young Person's Guide to Knowing God. Here is the Tales of Persia. All right, and next we have our science, hands-on science, which is Exploring Creation with Chemistry and Physics. And we love these books. Like I said earlier, I'll do a flip through of this. I just want to show you what we have in the curriculum, what comes with it when you buy it. Okay, so that was science, and next we're going to move on to the teacher's manual, which is this, which I love. It just makes it open and go. You open it, and it tells you what you're doing for the entire week. And here are the student sheets. They go with it. There is lots of fun stuff in here. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for it. We've got music right here. We've got 4 CDs, patriotic songs, an introduction to the classics. That's in My Father's World for the jazz band. And it also comes with the states and capitals. Since we're learning about 1850 to modern times, we're going to be learning a lot about our states and capitals this year. So that was our music. And here is our geography. Comes with a cookbook, which I can't wait to use these recipes. I'm always looking for fun recipes that I can get the kids involved with. This one's definitely going to be fun. I may even do some videos on these recipes. Drop a comment below if you think that would be fun. And then we have our United States map sheets. They're all blank so the kids can name them, which I'm loving this. I have trouble finding sheets like this. All right, and on to more history. This is like our world events. It's a timeline book. It's very big if you can see. Right, and the rest of our history, way over there, couldn't reach it, sorry. All right, so we are doing Story of the World, Volume 4. We did Volume 3 last year and loved it. And it also has a workbook with it, which I'm excited about. Just lots of fun stuff in there. No, that was quick flip through, but I'll do a better one later. And this book looks so interesting too. Smithsonian American History. Most kids these days do not even know about encyclopedias. All right, and then it comes with our read alouds, so I don't have to worry about buying them separately or going to library, and it just makes it so much easier. That's why I love My Father's World, this box curriculum. Everything is here that I need. So lots and lots of history. My Father's World, when you buy the boxed curriculum, it comes with everything that I just showed you. And if you're teaching, if you're teaching more than one child, what you need to do is you just need to order 2 sets of worksheets, and then you can teach, or however many children you're teaching, you just order those worksheets. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of My Father's World 1850 to Modern Times. Be looking for more videos. I hope you found this video to be helpful. I hope it gave you the information that you were looking for. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any of them that I can. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.